Welcome back to Global Strategy Hub and our preamble to the award-winning partnership between Louisiana State University and Mendel University in Brno. This partnership was developed by an outstanding team at the LSU Ag Center Global Network. The initial steps took part in 2014 as part of a newly created international strategy pertaining to agricultural sciences. After the initial steps, it quickly developed into a multifaceted program that produced measurable results and spread to other disciplines. From multidisciplinary cooperation, it rapidly expanded into multidisciplinary multi-country collaboration, and the LSU Ag Center swiftly became the U.S. partner of choice in Central Europe for agriculture and life sciences. Eventually, the program included non-academic disciplines, namely intellectual property cooperation, extension and outreach, joint communications, and collaboration within fundraising efforts.